How do you handle stressful, difficult situations that threaten your freedom, health, or mental stability? We often move through life fulfilling daily responsibilities systematically. But what happens when the weight of the world becomes too much? Do you run from the problem, confront it head-on, break it down into smaller, manageable parts, or carry it all on your shoulders, letting it accumulate over time? Take a moment to give yourself the self-love and care you deserve, especially when facing challenges beyond your control. It's natural to have emotional reactions when overwhelmed. Expressing your feelings, whether through tears, words, or action, is part of being human. If you're being mistreated, standing up for yourself is not a negative reaction. It's an essential step in setting boundaries. No one should endure constant mistreatment from others. Reclaim your power by asserting yourself with intention. Setting boundaries doesn't mean you have to be rude, but sometimes a soft answer can be mistaken as an invitation for continued disrespect. Conversely, exerting too much force can provoke retaliation from those who want to put you in your place. The key is balance, standing firm in your confidence and safeguarding yourself against the manipulative tactics of bullies. Bullies rarely act alone. They thrive in groups, drawing strength from the fear they instill in their victims. However, when you stand tall in your power, you strip them of their influence. This is your golden opportunity to tap into your inner strength and rise above. Embrace the mindset that being singled out is not a weakness, but a testament to your resilience. Owning your presence and standing firm leads to a healthier mental state, reinforcing your emotional intelligence. Life is unpredictable, often pulling us in different directions while bombarding us with negativity from social media and daily news. Economic instability, job loss, the passing of loved ones, and personal struggles can make depression feel inevitable. Many turn to self-medicating to numb their emotions rather than process them properly. While isolation can sometimes be a necessary reprieve, withdrawing from the world for too long may not be the best solution. Embrace your humanity by acknowledging and processing your emotions in a healthy way. If anger arises, ensure it does not manifest in destructive ways that could have lasting consequences. It is completely okay to feel. After all, it is what makes us human. Emotional intelligence is about assessing your responses to situations, people, and circumstances in a way that is thoughtful, reasonable, and constructive. By cultivating emotional intelligence, you position yourself for growth, strength, and purpose. Transform negativity into a catalyst for personal empowerment, and let your challenges refine, not define you.